Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send files from phone onto your Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. And I think the best way is going to a browser. Then in the browser you can go to the pairdrop.net website. And here, if you are on the same network, on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, you can just go to the same website on your phone, and on both devices the other device will be displayed, as you can see right here. Then you can just click on your phone on your laptop name, and you can select from photo library, take a photo or video, or choose files. I'm gonna take a photo or video now, just this laptop. Then I'm gonna click on use photo, and now you can see it's transferred. I can click on accept to download it. Now I'm gonna close it, then click on the three dots, downloads, and you can see the image being downloaded to my laptop. But if you are not on the same network, then you can just pair them by clicking on this button. So first I'm gonna just disconnect from the network on my phone, so I'm actually on different networks. I'm gonna refresh on both devices. Then I can click on this pair button, and I can either enter this pairing code by on my phone also clicking on the same button, then entering the code from the other device, or I can just simply scan the QR code with my camera app. Then click on pair, and now the devices are paired permanently, which means it should appear here, and it usually does. In this case it didn't. I'm gonna try pairing again, but with the QR code this time. Yeah, it doesn't appear, but usually it should. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.